Lightning and surges can disrupt equipment operation, cause failures, reduce their lifespan, or even destroy them. Type I+II Surge Protective Device is typically installed at the main electrical panel or main distribution board at the origin of the AC installations. At the main distribution box, the main circuit breaker is 250 amps. The upstream dedicated disconnector of SPD should use a 100 to 125 amp circuit breaker or a 125 amp fuse. SPD can be selected Type I+II. The cross-sectional area of the live and neutral wires should be 6 mm squared or above, and the grounding wire should be 10 mm squared or above. The total length of the connections for L1, L2, and L3 should be less than 50 centimeters. When tension increases, SPD discharges the surge current. The visible window indicates red when surge capacity exceeds. The floating switch for remote signaling indicates the status of SPD. When the red light is on, it's time to replace the surge protective device. Without turning off the power, replace the damaged pluggable module. FLP 12.5-275/3 S+1 is suitable for TT and TNS networks. FLP 12.5-275/4S is suitable for TNS networks. FLP 12.5-275/3S is suitable for TNC networks. A professional approach to surge protection will guarantee your electrical installations a long life. LSP, reliability in surge protection.